Hello everyone, in front of me is Google Pixel 9 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select passwords, passkeys and autofill, and here under accounts, tap on plus icon. Select Google then, wait a couple of seconds, and now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. And now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. As only the password is entered, tap on next. Now verify it on another phone, and that's it. Your account will be added to this device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.